Today we're making oven baked tilapia with delicious fried plantain, or dodo. This is one of those meals that looks impressive, but is actually so easy to make. So let's get right into it. First, let's start with the plantain. Cut your plantain into even pieces. Then take them out and set them aside. Once you're done slicing, heat up your oil and carefully add the plantain. Fry until they're beautifully golden and crispy. Just look at that gorgeous golden dodo. Now let's prepare the sauce for the fish. Cut your bell peppers and onions and add them to your blender. Add some ginger and garlic paste, along with your favorite seasonings. And blend everything together until smooth. Next, place a pot on the stove and add some vegetable oil. Pour in the blended pepper mixture and let it cook for about 15 minutes. This sauce is going to bring so much flavor to our fish. While the sauce is cooking, let's prepare the tilapia. Place the fish on your cutting board and make a few cuts across the fish. These cuts will help the seasoning get deep into the fish and make every bite flavorful. Now let's make our seasoning mixture. Add ground pepper, salt, nor seasoning. garlic powder, black pepper, and some olive oil. Mix everything together, then squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. It's time to season the fish. Coat the tilapia generously with the seasoning mixture, making sure you get it into all those cuts and all around the fish. We want every part of this fish packed with flavor. Once it's fully seasoned, cover it and let it marinate. Now let's get our pan ready. Arrange the fish on the pan, making sure there's enough space between them. Our fish is ready for the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then place the fish inside and let it cook. After the first bake, bring the fish out and brush on that delicious pepper sauce we prepared earlier. Look at that. Now put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes so all those flavors can come together. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to serve. Start with that beautifully baked tilapia. Add your golden crispy dodo, and just look at the final result. Juicy, flavorful fish with crispy fried plantain. Thanks for joining us today.